Hey there everyone, Alex here, the Bluleadz Video Master Chef, and today I'm going to be taking you through YouTube's new end screens and cards, which serve as pretty much the replacement for the old annotations feature. So to access these features, you're going to edit your video and pop over to end screen and annotations. If you pop over to annotations thinking, oh, I can still use this feature, you will be sorely disappointed. But that's totally cool because the end screen features are much more customizable and targeted for keeping people on your YouTube channel. With the end screens, you can essentially create in-video CTAs for your videos, as well as links for subscribing to your channel, other channels, and unique videos or playlists that you want viewers to effectively convert on, move forward to next. So in this video, we're just going to drop in a couple. We like to include best for viewer. You also have the most recent upload on your channel, best for viewer on your channel, or you choose a video or playlist. Important to note that it's all on your channel. It's not going to show the best related to your topic. So of course you can drag and drop those as you see fit. Because this is part of the video in question in the editor is part of our how-to videos, I'm going to link the playlist for our how-to videos just in case the viewer wanted to go look at more of those. And then, of course, our subscribe button. We gotta include the subscribe button. As you see, it's really easy to add these features, and you can customize when they show up in your video. So the maximum time any of these elements can be displayed at the end of a video is about 20 seconds. And usually they would just sit over the end of your video, regardless of the content there. But because of that, it's something we recommend to our clients, and now you guys, is physically adding a blank space about 20 seconds at the end of your YouTube videos to include these features, to highlight them before the video ends and takes them away to another channel. YouTube also really streamlines things by allowing you to import end screens from another video, so once we get it right once, we can get it right every time. Once you get your end screens all set up, you can just hit preview. There you go, that's how it would look for a viewer. This is the functionality of it. It's pretty straightforward, but it's a big step up from the annotations. Next up would be your cards. Now these are interesting because they replace the annotations as they were within your video. So like not at the end of the video, they're the actual annotations people used to use, say at the beginning of the video, linking them to similar content, etc. And like the end screens, you pretty much have the same functionality. You can add a video or playlist, you can link up to your channel, or an external link if you are part of the YouTube Partner Program. Cards also allow you to add polls and donation options throughout your video. So if we wanted to do a simple poll, do you find this information helpful? Heck yes. Not really. You can create the card, and this is how it will look in your video player. This little icon up here will pop up, and people can go through and click that, and this is how everything else is displayed using the cards feature. So if I want to link to this video, if a similar topic is referenced, say at this point in the video, I can have that come up at this time. Within the card editors, you're also able to add some custom teaser text or messages to let your audiences know what that video is about and why they should check it out after the one that they're currently watching. So there you have it. That's essentially what YouTube end screens and cards are and how you can set them up within your own channel. Hope you found this information helpful, and stay tuned for other awesome how-to video walkthroughs.